Welcome back everybody to another episode of MikeNTires, and today we're going to get this Chevy truck running. I hope. We got to install a fuel pump on this bad boy. Now I have a couple different options I can do. Option one. Alright, so option one is to crawl under the truck, undo the straps, and drop the fuel tank the way the factory says to do it. But that's really a pain in the butt because, well, truck's sitting in my yard. Ground's still pretty damp from all the rain I've had for the past week and a half. And I don't want to do it because it's half full of fuel. So, nope. So let's go on to option number two. To unbolt the bed, which is 8 bolts and a couple connectors for the taillights, and lift the bed off. This was a real contender for a while, but that means I need more people to help me to get this off, and pretty much everybody I know has bad backs. So unless you guys really want to see a video of 4 guys screaming in pain and agony from trying to lift a super heavy long bed off of a pickup truck, I don't think we're gonna do that. Then there's option number 3. My favorite option of them all. Power tools. The project always gets so much fun when you have to bust out the sawzalls or the grinders or things. So this is not normally the route I would go to install a fuel pump. So the plan is I'm going to cut a hole in the bed of the Chevy to create an access door to the fuel pump. Now a lot of cars have this. Pickup trucks do not. You usually got to do option 1 or 2 in order to install the fuel pump. On my F-150, I would not be cutting an access door in the bed. Truck is too new and too nice to do this. This is a 95 Chevy with 300,000 miles on it. No matter what I do to this vehicle, I am not going to decrease the value of this truck by any means. So that's what we're going to do today. Alright, now you guys are attached to the mechanic cam. Well, let's start with step 1 and 2. Need this time to cover off. I need the bed liner out. I was hoping there'd be an access panel there already. No such luck. So, I'm going to grab these measurements off the internet, and I hope they're right. That's a good quick look. This should be pretty dang close. I'm about to cut a hole in the bed, and I really would like to use the panel I take out as an access panel and put a couple hinges on it, yada yada, in order to make a door that I can access the fuel pump in the future, or whoever purchases this vehicle can access it later on if there's any more issues. Hope they're right. Ooh, that's bright sun. Alright, so I'm going to cheat a little bit. Give these a grinder. Cut one line and take a look and see what it looks like under there. Because I feel like this access door they've told me to measure out is huge. And I don't think I need to cut that much out. So yeah, a little bit of a PSA. If you're going to use power tools, eyes and ear protection, takes a second. And saves your eyes and your ears. I mean, come on, why not? Now let's cut something up. Alright, let's start with some of the tools we're going to need. Need a pair of pliers for these, and we're going to need a special tool for that, which you can actually rent these from AutoZone at discount. This is a Matco tool that I happen to have. Screwdriver to help get some of these guys off. And a hammer and a punch. Alright, let's go ahead and get these off. I goofed. I was told when they were giving me the vehicle that this was a 1995 Chevy truck. And that was wrong. I never bothered to double check because I assume people know what kind of vehicles they drive. Working in the automotive industry for so long, I know most people have no clue what they're driving. They can barely tell me the color. So yeah, it was actually a 1998 Chevy truck, which means I need a whole different assembly for. Was it a big deal? No, luckily AutoZone had it on hand. It was close by, and I was able to go get it. And I was able to get a little air conditioning while I was at it because I was getting pretty hot. Temperature today is 94 degrees with the humidity index of 1.5 million. I needed the break. So apparently GoPro died somewhere along the lines, not sure where. So to give you a little bit of progress report. So I got the fuel pump, old fuel pump right there in my yard. And I got the new fuel pump. And they're already all hooked up. Just had to get out those 3 lines. They have to wire in the new connector that's right here. I bought the cheapest one possible, that's why I had to do that. They did sell another fuel pump that had the right connector. Splicing 4 cables, not hard, it's real easy. Probably one of the most difficult things of the whole thing was pushing the pump down into the tank because it sprung to apply pressure in there, which makes sense. But there's an O-ring that I really had to push with everything I had to get that to seat into that O-ring to keep the fumes, everything into the tank. Use a little grease on it to help. That didn't get in. And then there's also a ring right around here, this right there. There's a black ring there that you have to use a pair of needle nose and the little holes in order to get them out. Well, she's in. Let's go find out how good of a mechanic I am. Moment of truth. Ah, the battery's dead. Ah, crap. Okay. And it's time to fix that. Back on the saddle. It's been charging for a little bit. Give it a minute to go into start mode again on my charger and see if she fires up. Doing the same thing, start and stop. Didn't change. Wasn't a fuel pump. Cutting a hole in the bed for no reason. Okay. Today is day number 3 of doing the fuel pump. It was super hot. Had to wait for the battery to charge. Started to rain. Had to unhook everything. So no big deal. Came out. Tried to start it. Didn't start. So that wasn't the problem. It's okay. It's a second vehicle. I'm in no rush to get it running except to get it out of my yard. Now I gotta figure out what's actually wrong with this. Now I did fix a problem. There was a fuel pressure issue where it would not hold pressure, it would get pressure then die. It's alright. I fixed one step, now on the next step. Not sure where I'm gonna go for next on this project to get it running, but see, do a little research online and figure it out. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you later. Peace. So low. Why do I have so low? Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon over here. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of MikeNTires. And today we are working on the Chevy C1500, Silverado 1500. What the hell is this thing? Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of MikeNTires. And today we're getting this Chevy running. That's really hot. Ah, fuck battery.